हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू द ट्यूब गेमर। आज गाइस हम डिफीट करने वाले हैं एक्टिनेटर को। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। विल चैलेंज टुडे एक्टिनेटर एंड एक्टिनेटर विल बी डिफीटेड। आज देखते हैं क्या होता है। लेट्स गो। फर्स्ट जो कैरेक्टर है जो हम लेंगे वो है जेठालाल ऑफ TMKOC, तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, द मोस्ट फेमस टेलीविजन सीरीज टिल नाउ। लेट्स सी। ओके, इज योर कैरेक्टर अ मेल? यस। Is your character a YouTuber? No, Dileep sir is not a YouTuber. Is your character an actor? Yes, Jethalal is an actor. Is your character married? He is married in both. He is married in actual life as well as screen life. So I think we should go with yes. Is your character fat? Yes. Does your character sell phones? Probably, because with phones he sell other things, electronic items also. So we'll put probably. Does your character play the role of a doctor? No. Is your character linked to South? No. Dileep Joshi, he founded. A found तो कर ही लेगा because Dileep Joshi is a very famous actor. Now let's go to the another character which I think एक्टिनेटर could not find. और गाइस मैं एक्टिनेटर को ही सर्च नहीं करूँगा, कुछ और चीज़ कोई और कैरेक्टर सर्च करेंगे। ओके गाइस, लेट्स गो। So the character which I have chosen now is Luis Fonsi, the singer of Despacito, a Spanish singer. Let's see he would be able to find or not. Is your character genders female? No, he is a male. Does your character have a gaming channel? No, I don't think so. So I will put probably not. No, don't know, because I really don't know. Is your character from YouTube? No, he's not a... I don't know, yeah. I think we should put probably. Does your character live in America? Probably not, because I don't know. He's a Spanish singer. Maybe he can live in America. Is your character from part of the Divergent trilogy? No. Don't know. I don't know. What is this? Is your character a hexagon? No, for sure. He's a human being. He's not a hexagon. Does your character own a lion? I don't know if he's having a lion or not. Is your character famous? Is your character from the Fallout series? I don't know the Fallout series, so I will put don't know. Is the character Rusk? I don't know. Is the character from a light novel? No. Is the character known to drink too much soda? I don't know. Is the character from Arabic origins? No, he is not from Arabic origins. Has the character appeared on SMP Live? I don't know. Is the character active on Twitter? This also I don't know. Why he is a singer. I only don't know that. Does the character have a pet monster? No, yaar, for sure. He would be not having pet monster. Is your character from Super Mario Odyssey? I really don't know. Is your character a hybrid of two animals? भाई कैसे सवाल पूछ रहा है ये? नो। Does your character eat sugar? मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know? Don't know. Does your character work with technology? No, he's not a tech. He doesn't work with technology. He is a singer and a lyricist. Does your character have legs? Yes, he's a human being. He's having both two legs. Does your character have the racing in? I don't know. Is the character in the Summer Olympics? No. Does your character live in Moomin Valley? क्या पूछ रहा है ये? No. Does your character live in Chicago? Probably not. Is the character animated? No, he's not animated. He's live. Is the character from Michigan? I really don't. Yes, yes, Akinator defeated. I've told you guys that I searched for Luis Fonsi, the Spanish singer, and he's searching out something else. So I defeated. Yes, yes. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please like and subscribe, share. Please like, subscribe my channel, share this video, comment on this video, and show some love to the Tube Gamer. Thank you guys.